In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uncheck all checkboxes in Notion. If you are working inside a Notion page and you have a group of checkboxes that are all marked T, here is a very quick way to clear them at the same time. This is especially useful if you use checklists for recurring tasks, daily routines, weekly planning, or templates that need to be reset without manually clicking each box one by one. To begin, go to the section of your Notion page where the checkboxes are located. Make sure the boxes you want to clear are visible on screen and grouped close enough together that you can easily select them. The goal here is to highlight all of the checkbox lines you want to affect in one selection. Now click and drag your mouse across the checkboxes you want to clear. As you drag, you should see the content become highlighted. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected every checkbox you want to include. If even one item is left out of the highlighted area, it won't be changed with the rest, so it's worth checking your selection before moving on. Once all the correct checkboxes are highlighted, click on any one of the checkboxes within that selected group. This is the key action. You do not need to click every box individually, as long as the checkboxes are still highlighted. Clicking just one of them will apply the change to all selected items. As soon as you click, all of the selected checkboxes will uncheck simultaneously. That means the entire group is cleared in a single action, which can save a lot of time when you are resetting long lists. If it doesn't work on the first try, the most common reason is that the selection was lost before the click happened, or not all checkbox lines were highlighted correctly. In that case, simply click and drag again to reselect the items. Then click one checkbox inside the selection. This method is simple, fast, and very practical for anyone who uses Notion checklists regularly. It helps keep your workflow efficient and makes it much easier to reuse the same task lists over and over again. And that's how to uncheck all checkboxes in Notion.